Welcome to the Climate and Water Outlook for winter 2017. Autumn saw some long dry spells, broken up with a handful of significant rainfall events. Overall, outlook suggests a warmer and drier winter ahead. But first, let's look at recent conditions. Autumn's big rainfall events were fed by tropical moisture being drawn southwards, most notably Tropical Cyclone Debbie in March. Gladstone in central Queensland had over 600 millimetres in March, almost their entire wet season rainfall in 1 month, but then no rainfall in April. Overall, autumn was dominated by high pressure and clear skies in many areas. This meant rainfall was well below average in places the tropical moisture didn't reach, such as Tasmania and the grain-growing regions of Western and South Australia. This means soil moisture is now below average in many of these regions. Soil moisture is mostly average to above average in southeast Queensland and the southern Murray-Darling Basin. The wet soils mean stream flows in eastern Australia have remained high, and even small amounts of rain have led to good runoff rather than soaking into the ground. In Tasmania and parts of southwest WA, streams have returned to low flows. Temperatures in autumn have been above average overall, particularly during the daytime. So what will drive Australia's climate over winter? The Indian Ocean Dipole remains neutral, but most climate models indicate a positive IOD may develop during winter. A positive IOD would increase the chances of drier conditions for central and southeastern Australia. In the Pacific Ocean, sea surface temperatures have warmed since the start of the year, but remain below El Niño thresholds. Many climate models still predict an El Niño event during the second half of 2017. Even if El Niño doesn't form, drier than average conditions could still persist over Australia during winter. El Niño watch continues, meaning there is a 50% chance of El Niño developing in 2017, which is double the normal chance. So what's the rainfall outlook for winter 2017? Below average rainfall is likely for much of southern Australia, while above average is likely in eastern Tasmania. Turning to the streamflow forecast for May to July. Near median to high streamflows may persist across eastern Australia and the top end, where catchments are still wet and flows continue from heavy rains in March. Low streamflows are more likely for the southwest, northeast and Tasmania. While Tasmania has been dry and flows are likely to be low, storages there are currently far higher than at this time last year. In terms of temperatures, days and nights are likely to be warmer than average for much of Australia. In summary, El Niño remains possible. Rainfall is likely to be below average for much of Australia. Near median to high streamflows are likely across the east, with low streamflows in the south and west. Temperatures are expected to be warmer than average. For more details, visit our website at bom.gov.au/climate/ahead. You can also get updates via Facebook and Twitter. Our next video will be released on Thursday the 29th of June. For the Bureau of Meteorology, I'm Robin Jewell.